Hey guys, today I'm doing a wash day in Colombia and I just want to say thank you to Carol's daughter for sponsoring this video. I'm starting off on this way too old low ponytail that's got single strand knots. I'm kind of ashamed. Carol's daughter Born to Repair line is great for color treated and damaged hair because it helps to fight up to 1 year of visible damage in just one use. I'm starting off with their nourishing conditioner because as y'all saw, my hair was really tangled. This really provided a lot of slip so that my single strand knots did not break off my hair. Next, I'm going in with the nourishing shampoo, which really helped for my scalp to feel clean without that stripped feeling because it doesn't have any sulfates. You can find all the Born to Repair products by Carol's daughter in my description box. Y'all, after using the shampoo, I'm going in with the 60-second moisture treatment, and this bad boy is really the star of the show because when I tell you, my hair felt so moisturized. All you do is leave this moisture treatment in for 1 minute and you are good to go. Top it off with the conditioner and you are good to go. This simplified my routine so much and added so much moisture to my hair. You know I had to do my tried and true wash and go for a true test of how well these products work. I do want to say after applying my water, these products smell so good. They all contain shea butter, babasu oil, and Amazonian nut oil. This defining cream is so good because it's like a one-stop shop. If you want your moisture and your definition with a light hold, this one's for you. The crazy thing is, the only thing I'm using right now is the defining cream and it's giving me shine, moisture, and definition and also helping me to detangle. As you can see, it's possible to wear your natural hair on vacation and not have to protective style. You just need a simple, no fuss routine that's going to get your hair done so you can go out and have a good time and explore. I know y'all see it. It's giving moisturized just like I like it. I like to add a little more definition and moisture to my bang area, so I'm going in with the Born to Repair Reviving Oil. All I'm doing is shingling my bang area just to add that extra definition, and especially because my bangs are shorter than the rest of my hair. And then I scrunch my hair and then I go in with my diffuser, I shake it around and I use high heat. You guys always ask me like, is the temperature high? Yes, high heat, but it lasts for less than 20 minutes. And this is me just going ahead and stretching my hair so that I get my desired length. And that's how I did it, y'all. That's how I went from this little crusty hair to this. Definition, moisture. I didn't even use a gel, y'all, and the wash and go is giving. You know when you gotta fluff it up for the volume. Yes. Again, I want to thank Carol's daughter for sponsoring this video and making it easy for me to have a great time in Medellin, Colombia.